Hey, how's it going? So today I wanted to do a brief kind of behind the dashboard to KDP and publishing a paperback book. I know this was something I was very uncertain of until someone walked me through it, and then it kind of lifted quite a lot of anxiety I had around publishing on Kindle Direct. So I wanted to just do this hopefully very quick video to walk you through what is involved and what you need to publish a paperback using Kindle Direct Publishing. I'm not going to go through every single stage because that would be far too long and complex, but hopefully you get the idea. Okay, so let's begin. Now, the first thing to say is you need a Kindle Direct Publishing account. Okay, if you haven't got that, sign up for it. I don't believe there's any restrictions at the moment, so make sure you sign up for that as soon as possible. Now, once you sign up, this is the home page. On Bookshelf, you can click on Paperback, and once you click on Paperback, you will be brought to this page. I filled in, the fields just so I can demonstrate this. Okay. But it'll be blank initially. All right. So you get paperback details, paperback content, and paperback rights and pricing. The first thing to say is choose your language, and then fill in your book title and subtitle. If it's a series, then make sure you add the number. You can change the edition if you upgrade or update your book later. This is where you put your author name, any contributors or pen name, and contributors over here. Book description, this is the blurb section that goes on the Amazon listing. If you want, you can use HTML like a Kindlepreneur. I'll include a link to that. Click on the publishing rights, whether you own it or if it's public domain. And then keywords, make sure you fill out this section. Spend a good time getting the right keywords. Just on the point on keywords, book title and subtitle play quite a key role in discovery as well, so make sure you pay attention to that. Categories, once you filled everything up, check out the categories. There's fiction, non-fiction. I just click non-classifiable for now, but depending on what you're doing, make sure you select the right one for you. Adult content, make sure you read KDP's guidance, and once you've got all that done, save and continue to move on to the next tab, which is paperback content. Now over here, you can opt for the KDP free ISBN, which is what I've done here, or you can use your own. Okay, you can set your publication date, and then choose the print options. What kind of interior do you have? Black and white, cream paper or white paper, or color interior. The trim size, which is the dimensions of the book, and you can choose something that Amazon has over here, or you can even define your own trim size. Okay, and then make sure you select the bleed or no bleed for interior, for your interior file, followed by the finish on your cover, whether you want it matte or glossy. Finally, upload your manuscripts, and they take a few formats, and you can have a read of that, and then upload your book cover. Once you've done that, you click Launch Previewer, and then it'll take you to something like this. Now, my advice is once you've filled out everything else, before you launch Previewer, I would say save as, and then come back to it in half an hour. And then you can check what KDP has got for you. If you're happy with it, click on Approve, followed by check to see what the summary gives you, okay, and the print cost. It'll tell you what the print cost is for this page count. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue. It'll bring you to the final tab, which is pricing. So paperback rights and pricing, so you can select individual territories or all territories. Select your location, make sure you have the minimum as required by KDP, so 538, so maybe put in 599, 5.99, and see what the royalty is you'll get at the end of it. Expanded distribution may or may not work depending on what you're doing. So if you're doing standard fiction or non-fiction, you should be fine, but if you're doing low or no content, you may not be able to choose this. even if you do choose it, I believe KDP has basically shut it down because some of the partners have refused to print low and no content books. And you also have the choice of adjusting the price for individual regions. So I would suggest you go through this, and you don't want to have it at like $4.28. You want to have it something sensible, like 50, like 49 or 99, something that makes sense, you know. And there you go. Once you've completed all of that, click publish your book. I'm not going to publish this. This is just for demonstration only. So once you're good to go, publish your book, and they say they'll come back to you within 72 hours and let you know whether it's published or not, and it'll go to in review in the meantime. Okay, so I hope you found that very quick lightning speed dashboard on KDP paperback publishing tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I hope you have a great day, everyone.